Pekare Mapol and machalo His Excellency Daniel Soka abedo ka wajene ati awajne pengat mo tie i Acholi mang'eyo Bosmic Otim chalo an pin ana analyzing Otim kwiji and awajo exactly watam duju wakingo manotikire no ang'eyo kwiji pero ne anotika time kakare pero ne anotika time kwede opposition Gil Barulanya Lutera Duju May amor que me lo bachuri weng pero ne lokati kakare and a better chow what you wait to my chill it will my para chill ni Otim ogamo chilling ki team pasalim sale que chualet the eruni with the intention of destroying oppositions may actually when your opposition politicians may actually what you give eruni pero now kila tika timekede. These are the very same people mauno gimera chwala that same amount of money ni omer ki chwal bor team do ki chwal bot an a wachine NRM ka mio chilling kichia cham mirni chemala chujunge kako mio chilling bot jom ngat moni ki mir give me in front of cameras loke mir ngene koni gen give me chilling. Why? Because NRM government, they are users. That is why these people, I have been telling you several times that they came into power by murdering the indigenous Ugandans and doing or practicing what they call divide and rule. This divide and rule system, this mafia government of Museveni and the NRM have been using it for long. It's good that some other tribes like the Baganda and other central parts of Uganda, they came to know the truth. But I shall be so glad if actually one day would wake up from that deep dreams, from that deep sleep, and come to realize the tactics of divide and rules and all those tactics of this military regime. Look, why do you think when RM gave money to Bosmic Otim in November this year, in November 2023, they decided to let me know, to let other people know. Why? Because they don't want you to eat their money for free, and they always want to expose whoever got money or pick money from them. Otim uberuka kane uberuka po tiene. Joini ku chako penya accountability inel do Otim kiri chako moch kede. Kidano chado Gil Barulanya gi. He started exploiting and abusing people like Gil Barulanya and other politicians, other opposition politicians in northern Uganda. Why? Because that money was sent purposely to destroy the opposition in northern Uganda. I told you several times that this NRM government, they are users. Because they know that Otim is somehow vocal and he's just that fool who can say anything without even thinking of the repercussion, without even analyzing the impacts of that thing or of what he is trying to do. Yes, he doesn't look at the repercussion in what he does. These people want the opposition to be weak. Because when Bosmic is fighting and talking a lot of nonsense about these opposition politicians, definitely they think they can weaken the opposition. For several times, this government of NRM or that mafia regime have been fighting day and night to weaken the opposition politicians. Because they want to conquer and they want to continue ruling and robbing the Ugandans. Divide and rule system has failed to work in the central Uganda. And I always emphasize and request that the people from northern Uganda also must wake up from that dream. They must wake up. Because for how long shall we be fighting each other? The people who are doing great things, who are fighting for our people, they want them to be weakened so that they continue fooling and robbing our people. It's really disgusting. Kare mapol ana wajo tutwani kai miero ng'eyo ming pautim mine chente unyo miero mo ken ka ini miero mago tim Bosmic gin mau miero tim ena yeni kwan chente mi bore teka dong ini miyo chente boro tim Bosmic tap chak dong yinyane ngida ke gabi de chak yinyane ibi mago tim quick ibi mago tim chawa eruni unyo kwan mer mon makwa kwa manu dud gidit unyo adegi gidit gena rio unyo kila cheli ken mi mer bor tim unyo adek mi bor de nego timo eno kai mer nego tim Bosmic kai mer nego tim Bosmic mi ne chente kai mi o chente tap de jak ginyo tim unyo chwan mon magi kwa unyo mon mo bok ma degi gu wadli chwan mer bor tim ibi ma o tim chawani goro tegene gat moy ken ma pretending ni en la tela chi maro monu karogo maro chente totwallo ngat ini nen chela for the petty kede pin will never be a leader. A leader mir peu tampi chente dok peu mir tampi mon peu mir bet ki last I come umir ma dago ne protecting family ne work family ne and he must not have sexual lust in him. And to take ngat mo ki ken ma take sexual lust in him. That person cannot be a leader. I repeat, if whoever want to arrest Bosmic Otim any day, any time, only two things. One is money. If you give money to Otim, now just give it 5 minutes or 10 minutes. When you are sure that that money is already in the hands of Bosmic Otim, what pariemo? Start hunting for him now. Start hunting for him. You will arrest him immediately. You will catch him immediately. Because whenever he get money, he get mad. He get confused. His brain will stop working anytime when he see money. And secondly, women, give brown women, like 1 or 2 or even 3, give to them. Give to Bosmic Otim. Give money and give 2 or 3 brown women to Otim. Brown women. You have finished him. You have destroyed him. And that is the greatest weakness that nobody can address, and even Otim cannot treat that thing. Because he has too much sexual lust in him. And whoever has that sexual lust in him cannot make a leader and cannot be a leader. And whoever is too greedy for money, for finances and material things, cannot be a good leader. And that is why I always say that the people from northern Uganda, they need enough of sensitization. Our people there need to be sensitized because actually they don't know even the quality of a good leader. You must first see this person we are electing. Is he married? Is she married? Is he a responsible person for his family or for the community? Is she responsible? Is she faithful to his or her family? So this is what we must always be sensitizing with our people back there in northern Uganda. actually the Luo community. Look, we have majority of MPs who are single, who are unmarried. We have so many majority of our politicians. They're not faithful men. They are full of lust. They have lust full of them. They have too much greediness for money. They are too greedy for money. A greedy person cannot deliver anything to his voters or to his people. We must stop electing greedy politicians, corrupt politicians, and the politicians who have lust, who are not responsible, who are not even faithful for their family, for their families. How long can you act? Why? What can make a person to accept money to betray his brothers, to accept money to betray his own citizens, his own voters, his own people? Like me, Daniel Soka, there's no any amount of money that can buy me off. That can buy me off. That can make me fight against my people. That is why I've always been saying that whoever sold Acholi to the mafia government or to the mafia regime must be dealt with. Because if we keep on ignoring them, we don't punish them for betraying the tribe or for betraying our people, then they will take it as fashion. They will make it part of them. We must work hard to make sure that whoever betrayed us, the Acholi people, as the tribe, must be dealt with, must be punished. If they are walking free, they will make it be part of them. We should do it to make it be as a good lesson to other people who might think of betraying we, the Acholi people, or who might think of betraying his own people. Yes. I don't know. You find that this same person who betrayed the Acholi people several times for money or for material things, there are some actually who are illiterate in brain. They can still follow. They can still listen to that, to words, or to words from that stupid fools. Yes, Bosmic Otim is a stupid fool. He is a stupid fool. So we, as the Acholi people, we must stop listening to those stupid fools. It is disgusting. It is disgusting. Acholi wajene kirivut kimarwe tepi loke wang maungene muang pekane lubukan. And NRM chanikai gamo chete gima peti utiche, they will hunt you for it. They will punish you for it. So we, the Acholi people, we must also be there to punish the people who will betray us as kaka. Jumaku be charwan, but maybe, but Rudy Mati Monyawa, Umirwa no yo make punishing gi, unyume fodogi, well me la bol patek. But ngat mok ken macha gwok diki macha tiki miri macha Acholi. Unyometi mugin maraju iko Acholi. Nika anything Acholi, he or she will not go free. Baby, one more lemme. One more big maker. Look. Dano charo ulanya Gilbert gimatika tij matek pe Acholi. Utim charo yeroko taune umiri discouraging ngoko unyo ikwany Acholi go from following just kind of people. Unyo Acholi matika lubuko dano lutela mategu magitika dweny matek pe Acholi. charo lweny ugena ukien pipigi ulanya gilbadgi inoni jo magiti en potentially company lweny ngat mo wajo nyu vok para rieko wajo ni marieme mochiek la kidi romo mada komor en team deglo kong pingo pilwogi chene ma ogam ke bot NRM ke motaka manyen pingo deglok ni en ichung i NRM karcha utim ini wek chara Acholi anytime you near my can in mete ke chara Acholi ba ini ko project in mawati leading you will not work free any moment baby work free because of chara Acholi ibi nero itamedi atika logo joking but even young ni Daniel Soka kara connection le bo level le bo donc even young Acholi mo kene maming gubin young ni Daniel Soka kara peti kene Daniel Soka is not working alone gubin young so this time round any Acholi who will betray the other should be dealt with because we have identified our problem as the Acholi people. So we must work hard to address the problems. Awaju kapol kare mapol ni tuo mo ke ken makino nyego unyo kino ngo kero. Dong tuo ini kiti ngo wang mau chang. Wang makitiro loke, wang makino yate. Enta Acholi inoni kino nying tuo mati yelugi ento chao ne ngayo giro. Lihat total. So kay niya mo lurok tika yerwa, pero mirwa keju. Acholi nge logada, ento Acholi dek logada, and I want to assure people, if they are Acholi people and the in northern Uganda, they want to address the problem there, they must first learn to speak the truth. I told you that in places like Lao, sub-region, when you do corruption, you cannot work free. When you betray your own people, you cannot work free. In a Luo land, when you betray people, you will not work free. Kibi yenyo lu jogi weng me tiji komi. So dana chalu team gini, obi no lu jogi weng me dealing kere. Obi no lu jogi weng ki dano i categories weng me dealing kere. Acholi peu miro ke chat. Ngat mo peu tamer ni Acholi ubi beru mere ka tiu chili nge unyo ere bi beru mere ka tiu chili kenye Acholi kare doju. Katika yenyo yo me chame noti lo kenye Acholi kama chete chara Acholi ngat mo ke ken mo chara Acholi o miro peu wot muleme wan ma chara Acholi o miro wa nego nyo ba keme kede. That's all. Then go kumber, get down and get shutting and down. These people cannot counter me. And then them a win bedo, take a meal chet and get to quit again, get me at all doing, ni me countering Daniel Soka, me no reg mugu negitware. I am too big for you guys. I am too big for some of your fake bloggers. They cannot manage me. Look at my followers every day. Then followers, I am internationally bad. They listen to me internationally, not just a village level. No, I'm not there. Peki wina ani live i village again. I am internationally. They will look for me. They will come to apologize. They will be magogi. I'm too big for you people. Won't go down the bloggers. The best thing, I'm just ignoring you. I'm just blocking your account from YouTube so that you find your level there. Because me to la ming me loge level le kun. And patiki chava me bergagamu dog la ming. But taking at moke ken mo chara Acholi, and I will lead the project. Mena nene ngatani ngatini is destroyed. Unyo uchero manoki punishing mo be Baby war free, take a char Acholi. Baby war free, take a doba Acholi, or you betrayed Acholi. You will never walk free. Yes. Shall deal with you. And we are coming. Do you in Wa in kilutil ni, you will not go unpunished. Wa be punishing in wa kilutil ni weng be chara Acholi. So, Ulanya Gilbert, Ubed Kitek Twin, Okin PP, and all opposition politicians in Acholi, Ubed Kitek Twin, Luen Kiltim Pengay 1 year. Utim Merka down when you dig my both position, you both NRM maybe confusing down, this confusion must stop. Nanoki can make a confusing actually, one will be dealing Kereko. I have full lobbying capacities. Kau team down, it's a joke. When you win matiki mirme chara chuli down, it's a joke. Koko. In petwer bino mechigo wang vo pachuli unyo achuli giti rem ya rem ichola ini mierde da bin ke chigo wang vo pachuli uno in ben achuli we shall not make you walk free. Yes, you will not walk free. Kau no la roka yeti charwa be mana chuli doke. Ena chuli maka awani ucharwa ngat moke keno chara chuli ko la tela kono tir word. Nyola did with Rudy Omero one machada chuli pewa wego word free. Ngat moke ken mau chara chuli Omero pewa wego word free. Ara tipi wun a tipi achuli a tipi kakachuli and luen any pew bingayo an. This time I take a lobbying a mirror internet connection betogo i primary school kachilki secondary school when free wireless internet connection umero betie in all primary school and secondary schools in northern Uganda because we cannot educate our children without internet. We cannot educate our children without the connection of internet. And where Uganda we chawani Facebook foot block. Umero ingat munu tiki VPN come here accessing Facebook. Yet accessing social media or access to media is a public, it is a human right. What? It is the fundamental human rights. All people must have access to information. How can our children learn if they don't have access to communication? I am lobbying, and it will not take a year. I want to start with at least 20 primary school, and I will be doing that. I want to see that all primary school in northern Uganda is having internet connection. All the secondary schools is having internet connection. All big towns in Gulu, Kitgum, Pade, all those towns must have free internet. I don't know those people who call themselves mayor. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what the leaders are trying to do. Our leaders, anytime they're elected in parliament or in any offices, they resort into corruption. They only think about corruption, how they can corrupt people and how they can steal people, and this must stop. Now, we as the Acholi community who are in the diaspora, we must learn to help our own people. We must work hard to lobby for our people, for our children, if truly we need the future of our people. I said all this for God and my country. Call me His Excellency Daniel Soka, the voice of the voiceless.